Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Edwin in Virginia on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Edwin, it's ready to go for you, bud. Got your bright white LEDs in the meter. Upgrade for you. Definitely got rid of them dim lights. Everybody needs to do that. If you're going to get one of these radios, upgrade your LED lights in the meters, okay? To achieve a voltage regulator upgrade, which I consider a must for durability and longevity, and my tune and alignment. 50-watt slug, RF power all the way down. Just a hair under a watt. You said you needed it to go down to 1. We did just that. Got you about 11.5, 12 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 40 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 90 PEP. Go over to sideband and do a little less on sideband. Hello, 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 hello. That's 78 on sideband. All right, Edwin, it's ready to come over to you. I appreciate you. If you're watching this and you've purchased or thinking of purchasing a radio, keep in mind we're 10 to 15 business days back on radio builds, and we try to keep it pretty close to that. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Merry Christmas and bump bump.